With around 200 countries and more than 7.5 billion people, the world is full of interesting fun and fascinating people, place and things. Are you hungry for more facts about the world and its ever-growing population? So today I will be telling you some amazing facts about world that you don't learn at school. So watch the video till end. Let's get started. Number 1. North Korea and Cuba are the only places you can't buy Coca-Cola. No matter where you go, it's comforting to know you can always enjoy Coca-Cola. Well, almost everywhere, while this fizzy drink is sold practically everywhere. It still hasn't officially made its way to North Korea or Cuba, according to the BBC. That's because these countries are under long-term US trade embargoes. This means an official ban on trade or other commercial activity with a particular country. Number 2. The hottest chili pepper in the world is so hot it could kill you. The weapons grade Dragon's Breath chili pepper is so hot it's downright deadly. If you ate one, it could potentially cause a type of anaphylactic shock, burning the airways and closing them up. I have tried it on the tip of my tongue and it's just fun, said Mike Smith. As it turns out, the chili was initially developed to be used in medical treatment as an anesthetic that can numb the skin. Number 3. 4 babies are born every second. Every second, we welcome 4 new babies into our overall population. Do a little math and you will find out that means there are approximately 250 births each minute, 15,000 each hour and 360,000 each day. In a full year, there are around 131.4 million babies born on Earth, according to the Ecology Global Network. Number 4. More than 52% of the world's population is under 30 years old. According to the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, as of 2012, 50.5% of the world's population were people under the age of 30. Around 89.7% of those young people live in emerging and developing economies like the Middle East and Africa. Number 5. There is a website that tracks the world's population in real time. As of 2019, the overall human population is estimated to be more than 7.7 billion people. And if you want to watch that increase in real time, you can turn into the world's population clock, which shows the uptricks and downtricks as babies are born and other people die. You can also see the current populations of different countries including China, India and the US. Number 6. There are 41 countries that recognize sign language as an official language. There are estimated to be 72 million deaf people around the world. There are also about 300 different sign language including American Sign Language and International Sign Language, as well as 41 countries that recognize them as an official language. Number 7. All the ants on earth weigh about as much as all the humans. The total population of people who are alive on earth hasn't even hit 8 billion. At the same time, there are 10 quadrillion individual ants crawling around at any given time. Number 8. Nearly 2 people die each second. While 4 babies are born on earth every second, it's estimated that around 2 people pass away at the same time. That means 105 people die each minute, 6,316 people die each hour, 1,51,600 people die each day, and 55.3 million people die each year. Sorry friends, not all interesting facts are fun. If you like this video, express your feelings in comment box. Please share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Do it right now. If you also know something interesting about our world, drop a comment below.